I think I got a very nice lighting in this. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel, The World of Eloise, and today I'll be cooking for you. So I have a dish in mind. Actually, my children requested it last night because we were browsing YouTube actually, and we saw a lot of noodles, and they want Lomi for today. So for today's lunch, I'll be cooking Lomi for them. And I actually bought 2 packs of Mickey. It's actually a Mickey noodles. I have half a kilo of medium prawn. And because it's my opportunity also to pack nutrients and vitamins in this food, so in this recipe, in this dish, I've decided I'll be putting of course we would need garlic and onions, and to change the consistency of the soup, we would need also 2 spoons of cornstarch, and of course water, and of course for the taste we require only salt and pepper. I don't basically use enhancers for food, no. I want salt and pepper, and I don't want artificial enhancers. So yeah, so we'll start. I hope you like it. So now we start cooking. I have here an old casserole of mine. I'm gonna be putting cooking oil, and we'll start to saute the garlic and the onion. We'll start with garlic, putting in the garlic, and shortly the onion. So we'll wait until it's golden brown, so the flavors really comes out. So I'm putting now the onion. This dish actually is very simple. You just saute onion and garlic and put everything, put the noodles or the shrimp first, and if you have, you can put chicken or beef or pork meat as well. So but this time, because we're trying to cut down on meat, we're into seafoods. Yeah, I only have shrimp or prawn that is good for this dish. So I'm gonna add the prawn now. As I told you, I've not deshelled it. I want it like that. We're just gonna wait until it turns a bit pinkish, and then we will put the noodles. I was thinking of putting an egg, a beaten egg, but my son actually is not, is very particular. He doesn't like eggs. So yeah, just gonna see and wait. There are actually frozen, peeled shrimps in the market, but I would prefer fresh shrimps, because you get the full flavor in a dish. I'm gonna cover it for like 1 minute, and then we'll put the lomi. Okay, so I guess that's about it. It's already pink, so we're gonna put now the lomi, the noodles. The Mickey, actually this is a Mickey noodles. There you go. It looks appetizing already. Too bad I don't have parsley. Parsley would be so good in this dish. I'm gonna put water. I'm gonna put like half of the casserole. I think I need to put one more glass of water. So it actually depends on you on how much soup you want to see in a dish. So like this is basically a soup dish, noodle soup. So I actually I'll probably add more water later. As the noodle cooks, it absorbs the water. So we're gonna let it simmer for maybe until the noodle is almost cooked before we put all the vegetable. But before that, we will put salt and pepper. So like half a spoon of pepper and salt to taste. So I'm estimating like 2 spoon, this spoon at least, of salt. I'm gonna add later if needed. Mix it a bit and then we'll cover it. So I put the fire on high to get it boiling fast. So now look at that. The noodles is absorbed. I mean, it's become thicker and it's absorbed loads of waters already. So next I'm gonna put the broccoli. Of all the vegetables, for some reason my children loves broccoli. So whenever there's like a nice or a good price in the market, I always buy loads of it. We're gonna cook that a bit and then we'll add the rest of the vegetables. As you can see, the soup is already, there's some thickness on it already, but I have prepared cornstarch butter, like 2 spoons of cornstarch, and I mix it with 5 spoons of water. So we're gonna add that later to add some thickness in the soup. So we're gonna bring it to boil and then add the other vegetable and then check the final taste. So let's see, it's boiling and now we will put the carrots. As I've told you, I have prepared this butter. It's 2 spoons of cornstarch and you mix it with water. So we're gonna add a bit of this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add everything, but whenever you cook, you just see the consistency that you want. So for me, the soup is already thick. We're just gonna make it a bit thicker. See, Can you see the changes? Yeah, so it's now thicker. So we'll put one more. Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, this is the consistency that I want. This is what you should be checking whenever you add cornstarch to a dish. I feel that I need a bit more of pepper, so 1/4 of a spoon. And now I'm gonna add lettuce. I'm gonna add the lettuce. Okay, one more mix and I'm gonna turn it off. So the heat basically will cook the vegetable. Wow. That is a good looking dish for you guys. So I hope you try it at home and let me know about it. Closing this and turning off the fire. There you go, guys. I hope you find it easy. It's actually very easy to cook, and you just have to prepare the ingredients and time it like that. So if you follow this video, I would like to hear those comments. I would like to see those comments in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and also I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You're here already, so might as well subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much. If you have anything or something that you want me to feature in my channel, please do let me know. I will endeavor to try and make it for you, and I hope I'll be able to make another cooking video soon, like within this month. So subscribe so you'll be the first one to know, right? Bye! See you in my next video. And yeah, also check out my other adventures. It's not only cooking. Adventures doesn't happen only in the kitchen. Yeah.